Zippy, Leo, Maya, Professor Paz, and I are going to learn about cultures and traditions from all around the world today. Ding! In India, people celebrate Diwali by lighting beautiful clay lamps called diyas and sharing sweet treats with their happy family and friends. Sparkle. Mexican families honor their ancestors with colorful marigold flowers and sugar skulls during the joyful Day of the Dead festival every year. Strum. Japanese people love watching pink cherry blossoms bloom in spring, often having fun picnics under trees to celebrate nature's stunning new beauty. Whoosh. The Maasai people in Kenya wear colorful handmade beadwork, where every single color tells a special story about their brave community. Clack! Lunar New Year features loud drums and dancing dragons, bringing good luck and great happiness to everyone for the exciting year ahead. Boom! Learning about cultures is amazing! Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. See you soon for more fun world adventures. Pop!